Here I have an old Yale drawer lock. It's only a 4-pin. It does have security pins in it. One full turn of the key unlocks it. Full turn the other way, locks it. There's the bitting. Top of the keyway. Go in, set pin 1 first. Get pin 2, and you heard something drop. That was pin 1 dropping. There's pin 1 and 2. Hit pin 3. A little more of a rotation, and go get pin 4 right there. Picked. And unlocked. What I'm going to do is go ahead and take her apart for you so you can see what's in it. There's 2 screws here. And you're going to kind of pry it apart. There's the back plate. There's what the inside mechanism looks like. So I've got 2 more screws here to take the cam off the back. A smaller screwdriver. Okay. So there's all the pieces and parts. There's the 4 pins. Those are all standard. Number 1. 2. 3. And 4. Pin number 4 is a standard driver. 1, 2, and 3 are all spools. So, thanks for watching.